Hi everybody, welcome to my video today, you guys. I've been crafting here and I wanted to share with you what I'm making. I am using my paper pumpkin kit for this month. These are the cards. It came in this beautiful box. This was an exclusive paper pumpkin kit. On the side here, you'll see it says Hugs from Shelly. Shelly Gardner, the co-founder of Stampin' Up!, designed this kit specifically, and it's beautiful. I love the colors, and it's very Shelly, like if you know her, it's very much her style, and I loved getting it. So these are the cards. Now, if you're not familiar with what Paper Pumpkin is, it is a kit that you get every single month, and when you get it, you get projects and you get to make it. I oftentimes, and you're going to see in today's video, I do some alternative projects. There's always enough supplies in here to have a lot of fun with. Like, I always end up having leftover supplies. They're very generous, and the kit is $20 a month. That includes shipping. It comes right to you every single month. You can either sign up to get it monthly, or you can get a prepaid subscription where you can pay for 1 month or 3 months, 6 months, or a year. So all those links are in the YouTube description below. They're on my website, or if you're seeing this on Facebook, it's in the Facebook description as well. So all of those places, if you want to sign up and get my paper pumpkin, it is so much fun. So these are the cards, and I just want to show you the design. You can get a sense of how the designs are supposed to be, because I'm going to show you some things that I did differently. You open this up, and it comes with some instructions, so it's really easy. Let me show you the ones I've done already, and then I'm going to show you, we'll make something together. So for this one, I just loved the actual design of it, so I just left it. And so you can just see it's the note card. So these are note card size, and it's real simple. This is already printed on the paper, and then I just added the sentiment and the little flower. So these three I kept the same. I just didn't feel like there was much need to change them. They were simple and beautiful. For these right here, I definitely changed it. I cut the note card, so I cut off the backing part of the note card, and then I added the old olive, and then I'll add this to a note card front, and then it'll become a card. Right now there's nothing there because I haven't added it to the note card yet, but I will. So I just did this design. I did 2 of these, so I did one this way, and then I did one this way. I just love adding that pop of green to it. And then this was my favorite one. I cut it down. So that's oftentimes how I get a lot more use out of my kits, is I cut the stuff up. So now what I wanted to do was there were 2 other note cards. There was one with this front, and this is gorgeous. I love this. And then there was this design that was a note card as well. So I cut up all of these pieces. I just cut them in half. So instead of having 3 cards with this design, I can actually get 6. And then what I decided to do was take this note card. So again, this was just a note card, and I cut off the backing, and then what I'm going to do is leave it. Actually, I'm going to leave it. I was going to cut it more, but I'm going to leave this one. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is zoom in, and we're going to make a card here. Isn't this gorgeous? I just love those splats. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is just take my design that I've cut from the other note card, and I'm going to layer this right on here. So, and then there's this velvet ribbon, which I'm not always a fan of velvet ribbon. I don't know, the feel of it, you guys, like, it really weirds me out, the feel of velvet. But this is so pretty. It's gorgeous. It's in the new In Color Pretty Peacock. So here's this. Now all I'm going to do is run this right up the side. Press that down, and then we'll trim this, and then I'm going to flip this over and just tuck the ribbon behind the card, and we'll secure that down with a little Scotch tape. Okay, so this is gorgeous, right? The colors, I love this blue. I think I put that on a little crooked, a tiny bit. That's okay. And then, okay, so we have this here, just like this. You can kind of tell it's crooked. That's all right. I'm not going to worry about it. So then we have our piece that just is a pop out. You can see there was a couple different designs. I'm going to use this one here. I've just already stamped it, and I stamped it with Pretty Peacock. In the kit, you always get a stamp set. Here's the stamp set for this one. So you always get a stamp set, and then you get a Stampin' Spot. So along with your project, you get that, and that's always nice. I always say it's worth getting the kit every month just to get the stamp set, because I always love the stamp set. And so I've used the stamp to just do thank you. I'm keeping these really simple. And then what I'll do is I'll just attach it kind of where you can tell that I got a little crooked. And then there's these beautiful die cuts. And see, everything's already done for you, which is really nice. And I'll just add that to the corner there. And then I'll attach this to a note card. Super simple. So let's grab some note cards and attach these. Here are some note cards, and Stampin' Up! Sells note cards separately. I just happen to have some on hand. And we can just attach this right to our card, our note card. And then you have a little bit different than what the kit did, but it's gorgeous. I really love that. And then it will go with the envelope, just like that. So instead of stamping and adding this feather, this vellum feather, and instead of doing this one, I combined both of those to make these, and these are probably my favorites. I love the color, I love the splats, actually love the pop of that velvet ribbon, and as long as I don't have to touch it, I'll be good with the velvet ribbon. Okay, so we'll add that, and I'll just add these other ones that I cut the fronts off of. I'll just add those. And then I will have a couple left of these because I'm combining this design and this design. So I'm going to have a couple envelopes left. And what I'll do is I'll probably use these ones with the flowers and the stripes. Because I feel like the feather is kind of weird now because I didn't use the feather. So that's what I'll use. And then I'll just have a couple left over. So I hope you enjoyed seeing this video, you guys. I loved making these cards. I always love making my paper pumpkin kit because it makes me feel very successful when I sit down and I open up this kit and I can make some cards. And then sometimes even when I'm struggling finding that creative mojo, I'm able to open up a paper pumpkin kit and make something and feel good about it. So I hope you enjoyed seeing this, and I will be back later this week to craft with you guys some more. Guys so much for hanging out with me today and watching my videos. Here are two other of my most recent videos. I would love for you guys to subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and I will catch you in my next video. I hope you all have a wonderful day.